Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming what changed. Log into Business Manager and immediately review admins, connected pages, ad accounts, and payment instruments. If you lack access, use a known admin account or request a collaborator's access. Capture screenshots and note timestamps, IPs, and device names. These facts matter when you contact support or verify identity. Once done, revoke unfamiliar sessions and remove unrecognized admins so the attacker loses foothold. Make sure to document every step for the recovery request. Next, lock down access. Change passwords, enable two-factor authentication for every admin, and update recovery email and phone numbers. Verify ownership by assembling proof: government ID, business registration, recent invoices, ad spend receipts, and screenshots of compromised settings. Then open a support case with the platform, submit asset ID, account URLs, and all collected evidence. Explain the timeline clearly and attach files. While waiting, reduce ad spend and pause any automated billing to prevent financial loss. Finally, once support verifies you, restore the correct admin roster and reassign roles with least privilege in mind. Revoke third-party apps, rotate API keys and payment cards, and reconfigure security settings and access approvals. After restoration, perform a full audit. Check campaigns, creatives, and billing for unauthorized changes. If recovery stalls, escalate with fresh evidence or request an appeal. Follow up persistently and supply additional timestamps or device logs. One key tip: keep a change log and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.